So real quick, let's interject. Yeah, first day riding without training for something, not getting ready for no races, and the second session out, I actually set my fastest ever lap time at IMI. So apparently that's what no stress does for you. Thanks for watching.
The sense of riding, not much, because I love riding. And we'll keep riding, no matter what. So, still gonna ride. So that's not gonna change. I just don't race motocross anymore. I still want to progress on the track and get faster. The dirt's just extra good today, I guess. I am hooking it up. Which is fun.
Oh, hey, Moto Nerds, what's up? It's your average vet rider. How's it going? Well, I'm sure by the title of this video, you're wondering. Yes, I quit racing motocross. I'm done. It's been 30 years of trying to chase something that it just never was going to happen, or never did happen, but I've had tons of race wins, championships. It's been one of the greatest parts of my life besides cheese. So it's definitely been quite a journey from injury after injury to, moving here and losing 2 motos the whole season. My first season racing in Tri-State. So it's been ups and downs and everything you could imagine. So I'm done racing motocross. Now what? I'm going off-road racing. I'm riding the bike. Obviously, this video today, it came from IMI. So, still riding the bike. I'm still having fun. Still motoing. I'm just not racing moto. For me, I have a tendency to do this too. I don't know about you guys, but I have a real tendency of turning my love into a job. And that's what I did with motocross for the past 30 years. If results don't go well, I get frustrated. If I don't do as good as I believe I can, I get frustrated. I took the fun out of it. There's nobody to blame but me. So what can you do? It's time to find new journeys. I love mountain biking. It's amazing. I love off-road racing and trail riding, right? Like that's Trail riding is where it all started for me. Was me on a 1984 YZ80 riding with my dad, who rode a 1988 YZ250 trail riding. It was the best times of ever riding a dirt bike. So that's the plan. I hope you guys stick around. I hope you continue to join me. I'm still your average vet rider. I'm still going to ride moto most weeks, at least once. But there's new journeys, new things, we might do some bike projects and flip them. We're going to ride moto. We're going to ride off-road. We're going to ride trails. Hopefully I can get my hands on another trials bike because, man, that's fun. We're going to go mountain biking. There was a time where I was a pretty high-level snowboarder. Maybe I'll bring you guys for a snowboard day. I don't know. But thanks for being part of this for the past, 10 years. I think I've had a YouTube channel. And even though I don't have the biggest subscribers, it's still been pretty fun. Thanks for tuning in and keep it pinned.
As I'm sure you can see by the title, I quit racing motocross. But Big Cat, you're there. That's true. But yeah. Finally come to an end. I've been doing this my whole life. 30 years. Well, more than 30. So. And me being me, in that time, turn this into a job. Which is not what you want to do with what you love. So, it's burned me out. And I just hope find any enjoyment in it anymore. And that's literally just the racing aspect that I don't find enjoyment in. Because I love riding motocross. my favorite thing to do. It's been the passion of my whole life. So I love it. Man, I don't find any enjoyment in racing.
Now turn around, come this way.